Welcome to Moon Camp, brought to you by Moonpreneur. This summer camp is designed to give your child an exciting learning experience and develop technical and futuristic skills. Plan this summer for your child and make it a fun learning experience for them with Moonpreneur's summer programs. Let's take a look at what's in store for you.
Programming with Python. Give your kids a head start with Python. Teach them a versatile language that opens doors to future careers and develops critical thinking, problem solving, and logical reasoning skills. In Moonpreneur's Programming with Python course, your child will learn to code in one of the world's most popular programming languages. They will discover how to create simple programs, work with variables and data types, as well as explore the power of functions and loops. Our experienced instructors will guide your child through this exciting journey, allowing them to build confidence and creativity. Live online sessions, total 15 sessions, for weeks, for days per week, and 90-minute session per day. Perfect for 7 to 16 years.
Fewer screens, more fun. Keep your kids moving and learning this summer while they're out of school. Join us at Moon Camp and give your child an unforgettable summer experience. Limited seats, enroll today.